Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 3 best ratchet straps that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the RHINO USA ratchet straps. With a maximum braking strength of 1,823 pounds, this set of 4 ratchet straps from RHINO USA are perfect for nearly any light or medium duty moving. As a set, the ratchets can also work together to secure heavier loads like motorcycles and ATVs to the back of a truck or trailer, making it easier to stabilize awkward loads without the risk of damage. These straps use a fairly traditional design that includes a short fixed end and a longer adjustable end with padded hooks. The strap itself is just 1 inch thick. While these straps are on the thin side, the webbing does a good job of stretching without breaking under normal loads, increasing the strength and flexibility of these straps. Use is fairly straightforward, making these a good option for beginners learning how to safely use ratchet straps. Second on the list is the Orgo ratchet tie-down straps. These Orgo ratchet straps are about as simple as you can get when it comes to securing light or medium loads. Coming in at 15 feet, the ratchet tie-downs have a 500-pound load capacity and 1,500-pound brake limit. While they aren't the strongest ratchets available, the pack of 4 is perfect for weekend hauling that involves smaller equipment and travel distances. These straps have a solid S-hook design that can wrap around most pipes and tie down points. Coming in a kit, these straps can also hook up the included bungee cords or soft loops when wrapping around different types of equipment. The hooks and ratchet handles are all molded to protect secured equipment from damage against the metal. Last up is the RHINO USA ratchet tie-down straps. These RHINO ratchet tie-down straps are sturdy, reliable and secure. These straps provide up to 1,823 pounds of maximum brake strength to hold nearly anything in place. They also feature anodized material and ergonomic padded handles for a more comfortable grip. Whether you need to hold down a motorcycle, ATV, UTV, go-kart, boat or equipment, these straps are more than capable of getting the job done. The best thing about these straps is their length, and you get 4 for the price of 1. The spring-loaded retention clips aren't a hassle to use either. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.